Hello friends, today we're going to be learning compound sentences. What is a compound sentence? To learn a compound sentence, you need to learn what a simple sentence means. This is a simple sentence. The girl is reading. The girl is reading. It starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. It gives complete info. See? A simple sentence plus a simple sentence makes a compound sentence. I went to the park plus I played cricket. A compound sentence we have is like I went to the park and I played cricket. And is a connector here. I went to the park and I played cricket. And is the connectors here. Connectors are and, but, for, or, so, nor, yet. Some examples. I was tired, so I took a nap. She was tired, but she cleaned all the mess. But and so are connectors. Your task is to make compound sentences using and but. Bye bye, kids. See you next time.